This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Stellenbosch 0. My brother, how's it?
Hi, Sharp.
Sharp,
Yeah.
where do you come from?
Uzweli 7 lo from Lenis.
Number 1.
Yeah.
We won kanjani game namhlanje?
Igame yanamhlanje siqale on a high pitch. Ngoba vele mesidinga that 3 points. Omunye umuntu angathi igame yathu di mesi under pressure because we didn't have points at all. But mongathatha ukubheka kulama game amanye siwadlalile. Akuna difference engako. I difference ukuthi ku change ama player but lama player aqalile the other matches, not to say that they were bad. Mongathi uyabheka ngizoya eduze ngayi kule yokuqala le mesidlala noma Roma. Lo game leyo mokumele si win or si draw. Unfortunately o referee wasn't on our side. And masikhuluma ngendaba ka referees, we cannot blame a human being ngoba I referee vele match mawuqala they were bound to make a mistake. Yabo. But then now sizo blame iPSL ukuthi kanti izo introduce nini iVAR. This one is very crucial right now. iVAR sayidinga mamothabheka going forward a little forward igame edlalwe last Sundowns. If VAR was there, Pirates ngabe winning, so we plead to PSL ukuthi it's about time. It's about time you bring the VAR. Mawucabanga kahle iPSL futhi South Africa as a whole football seyikhule ngalendlela le yokuthi it is recognized worldwide. Bheka unkotha ukuphi manje, one of the best leagues. But the problem ukuthi but why singakabi ne VAR? You know, it's a big question to PSL. It's a very big, it's a concern. It's a concern to us, to South African football, to the world football. One of the big leagues I introduce into enceda ama teams ukuthi aphumelele. Yes.
No, thanks for all the best on Saturday.
Saturday thina sesiqedile la sivalwe u referee. Okay, angeke ngithi u referee ilento I situation ukuthi iVAR mengekho. Kodwa nje Saturday noma kanjani we are going through.
Number 1. Noma ingekho iVAR Saturday.
Noma ingekho iVAR.
Thank you siyabonga. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.